Hello. Hi, Mama. We're gonna go to... Hello, guys. We're gonna go to the spot. Look at that. We're gonna go to the spot that I found beside the mountains. Gonna go a mini vlog.
I'm injured. I had my flu vaccine.
Saan?
Ito, look! Tapos, aakit na uman. Paakitin mo kong bundok.
Hello. What? Oh, let's go.
I gotta keep it separated.
Go here.
Can we play while waiting for Mama? Ah, the phone is really tight. I'm not wearing it properly.
Kasi natok eh.
Can I play with the tablet?
No.
No, we're waiting for Mama, I said.
No. Ma. Let's go. Ay. We're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it anymore. We're not gonna take it. We're not gonna take it. Gonna take it anymore. Ready na?
Ay na. Maka-pressure to. Tagal.
Let's go. Let's go. We're here now. It's recording time. Where's your jacket?
Here's my guitar band.
No.
Not now. Are we gonna walk
We're gonna walk.
for a bit? For a bit?
Yeah.
How much more Ostada?
It's about 20 minutes.
20 bucks?
Let's go. Oh yeah, the water.
We need to go.
Yeah, you definitely need to leave the iPad. Leave the iPad. We're not gonna use that.
But now. But if there's a chair.
Let's go.
How many minutes are we gonna walk?
20 minutes.
20
I think.
minutes, that's long.
Wear your jacket.
That is long, Dada.
Let's go.
For a person.
For a person. How about for a kid?
Yeah, it's long too.
Cruagh Wood. Oh, we're gonna wait for Mama. We're gonna wait for you. Alam mo yung view sa ano? Alam mo yung view sa Hellfire Club? Parang ganun yung view dyan. Parang ganun yung view. Ano? Let's go. Oops, careful, careful. They're enjoying the view too. The dog is enjoying the view too. Oh, don't call it na muna kasi might get too excited. Left na. Yan. Dito. Yeah. We're gonna look at the view. The view is here.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Ano to nandito sa daan na to?
Going the other side. Kanina, di ba? Pag ganun paikot.
Where's the pizza, Dada?
Ah, wala dito.
Oo. Ikaw din na wala mo magsabi. Tada.
Looking at the wrong one.
Oh,
Let's sit down on the side here.
Dito, you sit here.
The doggy. We're gonna
Just sit
sit there.
I sit. I'm gonna sit here instead.
Yeah, go.
I'm so heavy na.
Sa nagpa-flu.
Oh, other side, so you can see the view. There.
Right.
Mm.
Let's put your feet up there. There you
Can I take it to my Dada?
Oh, the night lights are now. You can see the night lights now.
Yeah, and the flag.
All the cars are there. Look, that's M50. Oh, look, that's M50.
go. 50. Oh,
All the way through there. Oh, you can
Look
see
at
it there.
that traffic. Get away.
Mm. You can also see Howth there, right? There's Howth. Mm. And the pool big lighthouse is there
I can
too.
see the airport flashing lights too.
Mm-mm. Very nice, right? What else you can see? Oh, that's the airport traffic control there.
wait.
Yeah, the
You
red
see there?
flashing right there.
Yeah.
Where's the airport traffic control?
Right there. Like right there.
The tallest structure you can see there in front of you, Ma. With the red light on top of it.
Not that one though.
Yun
It's the
nandun?
other one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's the airport. Medyo foggy eh. Pero yung mga airplanes, makikita mo bumababa dun eh. Yeah. Weather's not too bad. Very nice, no? It's not a hard trail hike. It's really 10-15 minutes. Also for kids.
Yeah, can I take a tour, man?
Left it there
Tada.
at the core.
You left the
Sayang
phone?
pala, no? Yung sunset kasi doon.
Left the phone? Left the phone as well?
Sunset doon. Ah.
I know.
Mhm. Oops, careful sa feet.
You want to smell my food? Smell my food. Going now.
Bye, doggy.
I'm gonna go out. Where to go?
Nice, right, Stevie?
Can we
You
go
can
now?
see the M50 from here. Where's the Hellfire Club?
Mama, I love you.
Oh, I was about to slip.
I love you, Ma.
About to slip.
The Hellfire Club is there. And everything you can see is Dublin City Center.
Akala ko everything that you see,
Will be ours.
everything that the light touches is good.
Thirty-three. 33 rings, pero per ring is how many years? 10 years?
I don't know that.
I think it's 10 years, Mom. It's 10 years per ring. Hold my hand.
Watch your step, guys.
Watch your step. Ah, sige. We're gonna visit this again. We're gonna visit this again, huh? Maybe earlier. I'll wait for you here. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, careful, huh? Look at paw prints ng dog. It's blue. Blue's paw prints. Joking. Ouch. Okay. Slow. Let's go slow. Ma-shortcut yun.
Decorating them. Decorating.
Yeah, the footprints. Yeah. Come on.
Decorating dog prints. We're creating dog prints. Paw prints. I don't know why I was creating dog.
It's very dark now, no? Yeah?
I don't think that's sweet here.
Oh, we can't sleep here. Careful, Mama. It's rocky, huh? Very rocky. Ouch. Ouch, my hand. Let's wait for Mama. I'm gonna wait for you. Let's go.
Just kidding.
We're going back. We're not gonna eat pizza na. Hahaha. Ayan na, nandito tayo.